In this week's Health Headlines, Community Regional Medical Center recently marked Fire Prevention Week with an outside fair hosting booths and interactive education to promote fire safety and prevention. The fair was open to employees, their families, and neighboring community partners. Part of the education included a smokehouse, which simulates what happens if your home should ever catch on fire. It also helps teach what to do if you're in that situation and you're surrounded by smoke. Another tool they're encouraging is the old stop, drop, and roll. It's a simple concept, but it works. Participants were able to practice that as well.
And educating our members here on different fire and prevention techniques, which I feel are completely necessary to keep people safe.
The event also included fire extinguisher training to encourage safe use at home in case of emergency. A new report finds people from Spain will have the longest life expectancy by 2040. Researchers evaluated the impacts of diseases such as diabetes, HIV, AIDS, and cancers, as well as risk factors like diet and smoking. It found that Spain will overtake Japan's long-held position at the top of the world's life expectancy table in the next 22 years. In 2040, people in Spain will live on average 85.8 years. The news is not good for Americans. The U.S. will fare the worst of all high-income countries, falling from 43rd to 64th in the world with an average life expectancy of 79.8 years. Women in the U.S. are having fewer kids. A new Centers for Disease Control report says fertility rates dropped over the past decade. The report also found that first-time mothers are older on average. The report said the general trend held true across all races.